Hello everybody, my name is Alex and today I'm going to be showing you how igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks are formed. So first I'm going to start out with igneous. Igneous rocks are formed by either magma, lava, or volcanic ash, and two different types of igneous rock that can be formed from these magma, lava, or volcanic ash is extrusive and intrusive igneous rocks. And extrusive igneous rocks are formed when lava, which we know lava is magma, but lava is on the outside of the Earth's surface. So whenever lava is cooled a little faster than it would be the magma that's inside the Earth's surface, that's going to be your extrusive igneous rock. Your intrusive igneous rock is going to be that magma that's still inside the Earth's surface, and it's going to cool a lot slower and it's going to crystallize a lot better than the extrusive igneous rock. And that crystallization is a real important part in the forming of those igneous rocks. So I'm going to give you an example here on what igneous rock is and how it might be formed. So right here in this pot, I have this plastic that can be melted down, and this is going to be my lava. Ooh, it's kind of hot, gotta be careful there. So I have this substitute for lava, and I'm gonna rapidly cool it. Rapidly cool it, and as you can see, it's not a solid yet. But once we put it into this ice water and we let it cool down, let it crystallize, we end up getting this solid that hardens and crystallizes. And that's my example for igneous rock. Next, we're going to move on to sedimentary rocks. All right, next we're going to be talking about sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are rocks that are formed from different sediments or the weathering away of different rocks. And these sediments, they come together and they solidify to create another rock. Like a good example is shale or limestone is another good example. So right here I'm going to give you kind of a little example on how sedimentary rocks are formed. So here we have, let's say, the remains of plants and shells. We're going to pour them into here. And we're going to have another different type, maybe like calcite. And add one more with maybe clay and sand. Mix it all up and together. And once these sediments come together and they get a little pressure, get them nice and tight, have them solidify, you end up getting something like this. As you can see, this is a limestone rock with clay, sand, calcite, and the remains of some animals and some shells. There you have it. Last but not least, we have metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed under the Earth's surface most of the time when either igneous or sedimentary rocks are melded together and formed and combined together by heat, pressure, and chemical fluids. You get this, mixture of rocks, and that is going to be your metamorphic rock. And metamorphic rocks come in two different types. You can have foliated or non-foliated. And all foliated or non-foliated means is in foliated, you could see the different layers of rocks. And they usually consist of a little waviness in them because when that pressure puts them together, it's kind of like they melt together, but at the same time, they join and merge. And so this is going to be my example of metamorphic rocks. Um, I have some agate here, different colors. And agate is a igneous rock. So we got some orange, kind of peaches looking agate. We're going to put this in here. This is the Earth's surface. We got some blue agate. We got some rosy pink looking agate. And we got some darker agate. We're going to mix them all here into the Earth. And we're going to leave them here for a very long time. We're going to mix those chemical fluids in there. We're going to give it a little pressure, apply some heat, and after some time, that igneous agate will all combine together to form this metamorphic agate. And as you can see the different colors and how you can tell they were merged and pushed up against each other by all that heat and pressure. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed my video on how sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic rocks are formed. I'll keep you posted on some more videos later. Have a nice day.